Tally Prime latest version 7.0 installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. How to download install from official website. Browser open www.tallyprime.com. As its same, enter in search box. After enter key press. Official link first section display. Tally Solutions best business software for SMBs in India. First link click. Tally Prime Solutions official web page complete display. Middle section Tally Prime latest version 7.0. Tally Prime 7.0 internal latest features display in section 4 options. Right side top section yellow color button download click. Download Tally Primes related two options display. First one Tally Prime release version 7.0 related download yellow color button click. Download section setup.exe file downloading process start. File size 17.6 MB. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder setup file display. Select mouse right click. Run as administrator option select. Tally Solutions Private Limited window first button yes click. Download folder minimize. Tally Prime Setup Manager window install application. First one application name Tally Prime release latest version 7.0. Application path Tally Prime installation default path and location. Local disk C program files newly created folder Tally Prime display. Third button install click. Installing. Installation successfully display. Desktop shortcut Tally Prime shortcut icon display. Start Tally Prime button click. Application run wait and here few seconds. Do you want to allow public and private networks to access this application? Bottom side first button yellow click. Application setup window two options display. Second one accept button click. Welcome to Tally Prime. Already installed this Tally Prime application. Users fourth button click. First one try it for free educational. First button click. First button create click. This is complete Tally Prime user interface. New feature top section search bar. Already created file name and voucher name bills and ledger. Create any company. First one company name related box mouse left click enter the name Charitech info. Keyboard tab key press. Mailing name Chari. Tab key re-click enter the address Warangal. Tab key press. Related details Y key S key press. Enter key press. Y key press. Y key press. Created company name Charitech info. Top section find enter the file name as it exact file name Chari. Go to button click display Charitech info. This is created company name